don't forget say they snore. Have you noticed me when they snore, they quick sleep? So you know go sleep. All those guys snoring when we say, well, if I wake up, I don't know before I may not sleep. The next thing why the house they shake. All those guys snoring when they enter gear. You know say, those snore, God will forgive you. But those sleep talk, you snore, you sleep talk, you sleep walk, you don't die. Madam, things are hard. Madam, things are hard.
You come at the right me.
I don't like it.
Oh, yeah.
Snore, you come my house. I don't like people who snore. I don't like a lot of things, but there are some things I like though. I don't like ugly people. Some people don't look their looks now. That may bring up mirror. No, seriously. That, for instance, I don't like asking ugly people for direction. They feel lost to the mood. Those guys are bitter.
I work for myself.
Okay, for online.
Yes, online.
I stopped one guy from front. He stayed front, right, ahead of me. I was behind him.
Are you going to be stationed?
Yes, I'm here. I'm fine.
Excuse me, that stuff. Now rush go there. You don't ask person the ugly. When you near her. You don't know as you want to ask her where you go again. But I summoned courage, ask the guy. When I reached the guy is ugly.
I will do that as well. But I want to apply. I just finished talking on.
In John law, you be like person who swallow it right. They hear God big. All those people when they gym for face. Then, you know say you guys your teeth go long. So the way you close mouth, even some of your teeth still see there outside. When I see the guy, I don't know say na teeth, but I say na toothpick. So I got someone college as I brought a shift first, brought no vex. And they go Wakiki. You know where Wakiki they like they say now Vienna City there around there. Now they Wakiki. And the new Wakiki, I said, don't worry, I know the place. Now I know where you there now. As the open man, I see the direction. I don't like ugly people. You all the beautiful girls in the house, please push your hands together for yourselves. Beautiful girls, you know your look, so. I like some girls, they just go up, they know they clap, they know how they look. But no, there's no way you be ugly and you're not aware. All those ugly girls, when they like spoil their face or picture, they know say they're ugly. They won't get by force dimple. Your feet, they like beans. No makeup. No, I like it when you make up, I beg. No, seriously. My wife, they make up. Enter bathroom bath. Yes. She they make us swim. Who said you get wife now? You like me? Oh, they make a call choose. I see all these men just doing your 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait till these babes they do here. Mona mix. How are you? Oh, well. I was shaking. I said I won't shake you. No vex, I don't shake you. Now this one I like. Have you noticed every beautiful girl get ugly friend?
It's true.
If you don't have an ugly friend and you're beautiful, you are the ugly one. saw two girls coming. You know some girls, when they hug you, they fight from a distance. So when they got closer, I realized I only one fine. I was in the mood to talk to somebody. Now I stopped. Excuse me. Now the ugly one, now first responding, yes. I said, I'm not talking to you, your friend. He said, what do you mean you're not talking to me? We are in a hurry. Now you are the doctor. Shout out to all those girls where they face camera in a different way. You know yourself. They face camera. Your sister, your mommy, they face camera like this. For you they face like this. And when I ask for picture, you send me that one to keep me busy. Any man, let me tell you something. Forget, say your man dey here. Men, they are like that. We are not only moved by sight, we are moved by yash. Guys, are they like?
It's true.
We are moved by yash. The yash, and the ladies know. That's why they buy yash. Any man who you see the whole corner, the whole phone, they zoom, they magnify, they look yash. That's why, check for instance, 88% of girls, when they post like this naked on Instagram, they get followers past Basketmouth.
Why the prayer manti? The prayer manti. Why the prayer manti? Cardinal, me mama won't know this. Abasi, why the prayer manti? Me mama won't know what me do, me a gonzozi. But go why ya chase destiny. Them a want me attend to boy batty. Abasi, why the prayer manti? Me mama won't know what me do, me a gonzozi. But go why ya chase